Hello cadets, this is Mr. Storm, and in this video we're going to talk about the computer maintenance career assignment. I want to explain a little bit about what I expect from you for this assignment and just kind of how to go through and perform your research. So the first thing you're going to want to do is read these two articles that I've linked here to you. So there's this student benefits article, which will show you some benefits for getting this certification. You may want to read through this, and this will be a good place to start your research. And then the next article I have linked there is the link to the PC Pro certification explainer page, and this is going to go over IT professionals and the kind of jobs you should be looking for in this range. Now, this is a great place for you to start your research because the assignment you're completing is going to ask you to find a career in this area. And so, for example, let's say desktop support specialist, that's something you want to do. So you're going to want to click on that link. It will bring you to payscale.com and show you average desktop support specialist hourly pay, $21 an hour. It's pretty good. And it's going to let you go through and find all kinds of research about that specific job. Okay. And there are others here listed. So what I want you to do is do some research, and then I want you to search online for a job that requires either PC Pro or CompTIA A+ certifications. So here's where the confusion tends to lie. All right. So let's say I decided I want to be a desktop support specialist. Well, you're going to want to go to a website that allows you to search for job listings. So say monster.com or Indeed, or all kinds of other websites that allow you to search for specific job titles. And for me, it's going to be desktop support specialist. So let's type that in, desktop support specialist. And I'll leave my location settings just like that. Now I can see that there are all kinds of listings all over the country. This is not region specific, so if you want to move to another part of the country, that's totally fine. So we can look, let's see, military veteran, okay, tour of duty associate, desktop support specialist, desktop tech support specialist. So maybe this looks like a good job, right? I'm a veteran, so I may qualify for this job. It's in Michigan, it's in Detroit, Michigan. And it's working for Quicken Loans. So I'm going to read through here, see if this is a job that I would want to apply for. Once you find a job that you like, I want you to submit a link to the job listing, and I want you to write 150 words about how you would get that job. So what steps will you need to take in order to get that job? So if I look through here, I can see that there's a whole list of requirements here for this job. So I need to be a veteran. I need to have work experience with desktop support, exceptional, and all this stuff, right? So I would want to list these things in the 150 words, and just tell me your plan for getting a job like this one in the future. So this assignment is due by Thursday. So once you write up you do your write-up, you can turn it in. You can write it on like a Google Doc or something, and then whenever you go to turn it in, click submit. It will give you a text box to copy and paste your answer into, and that's how you're going to turn in your assignment for this class. Okay, if you have any questions about this, please let me know. I will help you out. But this should be a pretty easy assignment. I just want you thinking about the future and thinking about how this certification can help you in the future. Okay, that's it for me. I will see you. And next week, we're going to dig into test out, so that's going to be super fun. But I will see you then. Okay, bye.